Bengan masaledar or spicy eggplant stir fry. Do you love eggplants? After watching this recipe, you're going to love them even more. What? You don't like them? No worries. After watching this recipe, even you're going to fall in love with them. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notification.
I'm Soumya.
I'm Satya here.
Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen.
To make this eggplant stir fry, we have taken 1 kilo small sized eggplants and chopped them lengthwise like this. We have chopped each eggplant into 4 to 5 long pieces and we have added them into water. It's very important to add eggplants to water, otherwise they can discolor. Now keep this aside and heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon oil. When the oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon urad dal and 1 teaspoon chana dal. Now add in the dhania or coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon imli or tamarind. Roast on a very low flame. Roast until the lentils slightly change color. Now switch off the flame. So now let us add in 1 onion roughly chopped, 1 very small onion, 6 flakes garlic and 3 tablespoon grated coconut, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. We have added all this after switching off the flame. And now once the ingredients have cooled, we have taken them in a mixer jar and blended to a coarse paste like this. Now let us keep this paste aside and heat a pan and add in 2 tablespoon oil. When the oil is hot, add in the mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds crackle, add in 1 teaspoon urad dal or split black gram. Add in 1 red chili broken, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder or hing, 2 teaspoon curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Now let us add in the chopped eggplants. Mix well and stir. Stir for about 2 to 3 minutes and now let us cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let us add in some salt and 2 tablespoon water and again cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in some gur or jaggery. Mix well and stir. And now let us add in the ground masala. This masala gives an awesome aroma and flavor to the eggplant masala. Mix well, stir for around 7 minutes so that all the masala is incorporated into the eggplants. Don't the eggplants look yummy? They do, and they taste super yum. Now we have served it. You can have this with just about anything, rice, rotis. But today we are going to have it with rasam and rice. Yes, do check out our rasam recipe and rasam powder recipe. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. See you soon with another video. Bye, take care.